Are you seeing those FaceTime and iMessage options grayed out in your iPhone settings? Don't worry, you're definitely not alone. This can happen for a bunch of reasons, like restrictions, network settings, or issues with your Apple ID. But here's the good news. I have got some tried and true fixes lined up for you to get FaceTime and iMessage working smoothly again. So let's jump in and get this sorted. Solution 1. Check for restrictions. Sometimes restrictions on your iPhone can be why FaceTime and iMessage are grayed out. Here is what you need to do. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit and tap on Screen Time. After that, keep scrolling until you see Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on it. Now, tap on Allowed Apps. Finally, make sure that both FaceTime and Messages are toggled on. Solution 2. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes cause issues with FaceTime and iMessage. Here is how to adjust them. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Date and Time. Make sure that Set Automatically is toggled on. Solution 3. Check your Apple ID. FaceTime and iMessage need a valid Apple ID to work right. Follow these steps to check yours. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the very top of the screen. Ensure that you're signed in with a valid Apple ID. Now, tap on iCloud. Then, tap on See All. Scroll down to find Phone and FaceTime Enable. If it's already enabled, go ahead and turn it off. Then turn it back on. After that, restart your iPhone to apply these changes. Solution 4. Update iOS. If you are running an outdated iOS version, it could be causing issues with these apps. Here is how to check for updates. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, just tap Download and install. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Still having trouble? Resetting your network settings might do the trick. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Keep scrolling down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Confirm your choice and wait for your iPhone to restart. And that's it! Following these steps should help you get FaceTime and iMessage back up and running if they were grayed out in your settings. If this guide helped, don't forget to subscribe for more handy troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.